Hello, my name is Steffen and I'm product manager at Kärcher. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Hds E816, the emission-free hot water high pressure cleaner. Unlike conventional hot water high pressure cleaners, this machine is equipped with an electric boiler that heats the water for the cleaning process, and therefore no fuel is needed. Let's start with the control panel. The high pressure cleaner can be controlled with 3 switches. The first one is for turning the machine on, activating the hot water mode and the eco-efficiency mode, which allows ecological but powerful cleaning. The second one regulates the temperature in hot water mode, and the third one controls the dosage of the 2 detergents that can be used with this machine. Above, you can find several indication lights that show the status of the main machine functions. If we take off the cover, we can have a look at the inside of the machine. The outstanding feature is the highly efficient boiler with its patented insulation that reduces energy consumption in standby mode up to 40%. The boiler has a large capacity of 58 liters and provides maximum water temperatures of 85 degrees. A fast warm-up time can be achieved because of powerful electrical heating elements and an additional preheat chamber in the 12 kilowatts version of the machine. Depending on the machine, in continuous operation, a maximum water temperature of 58 degrees can be reached at full load. Thanks to servo control, 80 degrees can be reached with reduced water flow. The Hds E range has a smart service and maintenance concept. All relevant components, like for example the water filter, can be reached easily. The machine features 2 detergent tanks with wide filler necks for easy fill-up and a precise detergent dosage system. To protect the heating coil from sediments, the scale inhibitor RM110 is added to the water. Our jogger design with large wheels and caster guarantees high mobility. The high handles and the integrated step enable easy tilting. Sturdy lashing rings at the side of the machine allow safe fixation during transport. Thanks to the accessory compartment, tools, nozzles and other stuff can be stored safely. Up to 2 spray lenses can be quickly attached to the cover of the machine. The high pressure cleaner is supplied with an easy press trigger gun for fatigue-free operation. Servo control allows stageless regulation of water flow and pressure, and, as already mentioned, the temperature. The Hds E816 is our solution for ecological and efficient cleaning in areas where exhaust fumes cannot be tolerated. Combined in one machine, we have high mobility, durability and an environmentally friendly concept.